क्या आपने कभी ये सोचा है दैट व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स, glowing skin and sharp brain? One word: protein. Yes, protein is that much important. Right from your hair to your skin to everything, you require protein. So hey everyone, मैं हूँ सपना व्यास and आज हम बात करेंगे बहुत सारी in detail about protein. So first of all, protein क्या करता है? Now protein is very important, like I said, right from your DNA to your mood swings to your skin to your hair, everything requires good and enough amount of protein. But अगर protein कम मिले तो अगर हमें प्रोटीन विच इज़ मेड आउट ऑफ एमिनो एसिड्स, अगर वो प्रोटीन आपको कम मिलता है, देन यू विल सी हेयर लॉस, मूड स्विंग्स, बैड स्किन and even weight gain, because when you don't have enough protein, your body eventually will have slow BMI and that will make you fat, because if you have enough muscles in your body, that helps you burn more fat. So अगर आपके body में enough protein है तो it will eventually help you gain a lot of muscles, and it will also help you maintain your weight or even reduce your weight. So that's how important protein is for you. Now the first thing is that our body can store fat and carbs, but it can't store protein as much. So अगर आप protein कम लेते हैं, then you might face hair loss, you might face skin problems, you will have little lesser muscles and that will give you lot more fat. So protein आपको कम नहीं लेना है. Now why it is important for your muscles? Because you know that going to the gym will help you build muscles, but that's really half truth. Because जब आप workout करते हैं, then it is stress for your body. You are giving your body a little stress, it will break down muscles, but when you eat right and rest, that's when your body builds muscles, and that's when you will see hypertrophy, strong muscles. And that's why it's very, very important that you have enough protein so that you build enough muscles. And the more muscles you have, the stronger you become, the sharper you become. So that's the one thing. Secondly, you will have better skin, because skin, hair, everything is related to right eating, and eventually what you eat shows on your body. So that these are very, very important things for eating right and exercising and really shining bright. बहुत सारी बार हम ये फेस करते हैं कि यार अभी खाना खाए बट आई एम स्टिल क्रेविंग फॉर अनदर थिंग, यू नो, आई एम स्टिल क्रेविंग फॉर एन आइसक्रीम और आई एम स्टिल क्रेविंग फॉर सम अदर जंक फूड. पता ये क्यों होता है? बिकॉज योर फूड चॉइसेस आर रियली रॉन्ग. व्हेन यू ईट अ लॉट ऑफ कार्ब्स, इट मे हेल्प यू फील fuller for a short duration, but eventually it will make you feel hungry all the time, because carbs का क्या होता है, that maybe you had an ice cream, so it gave you sugar high, but once that, you know, sugar crashes, you will feel hungry, you will also have mood swings, you will feel low. So that's why you have to eat enough protein. जब आप प्रोटीन से बनी चीज़ें खाते हैं तो उससे क्या होता है, you feel fuller for longer, you feel stronger, and you don't really crave. So in a way you will be able to manage your calories also. So how much protein should you have in a day? For example, your weight is say 70 kg, then you need 70 grams of protein. That is 1 gram of protein per kg of your body weight. So अगर आप मान लो जिम नहीं जाते हो या बहुत एक्टिव नहीं हो, तब भी आपको enough protein लेना है, because like I said earlier, our body can store fat and carbs, but it doesn't store protein as much. So आपको consciously अपने food में, अपने routine में आपको consciously protein include करना है. अगर आप एक active individual हो, gym goer हो, then you can have up to 1 or 2 times of your protein per kg of your body weight. Now with age, you have to be very, very conscious, because once we cross 30 plus, then by default our body, you know, stores more fat. So you have to consciously take more protein so that your body can fight with that damage. Okay. So today I'm going to share one product which has really those benefits कि जब आपको enough protein मिले, आप खुश रहो, and it's not a fad. So along with eating right, this can be your best buddy, and that is Incredio. So Incredio Slim Shake by Health Cart is not a fad. It's something which will really help you maintain your weight or reduce your weight in a healthy way, because number one, it's sustainable. You can make it a part of your routine, a part of your lifestyle, and it is very tasty. It is easy to make and it is a great solution for people जो बोलते हैं कि मुझे weight loss तो करना है, weight maintain करना है, पर जो food choices मुझे करने हैं या तो इतने tasty नहीं है या तो time consuming है. So this is your answer to both the problems, where number one, it is very tasty, and number two, ये आपके quick breakfast के लिए it's a very easy solution. आपके workout के बाद के लिए भी it is a quick solution, and for people who are feeling lazy कि healthy खाना है बट बनाए कौन, तो उसके लिए भी दिस कैन बी योर गो टू ऑप्शन. बस 2 स्कूप्स लेने हैं और 300 ml चिल्ड या ल्यूक वार्म स्किम्ड मिल्क के साथ मिक्स करना है और ये बन गया आपका एक डिलीशियस शेक जो 3 से 4 घंटे तक आपको फुल रखेगा. और इसमें है 22 ग्राम ट्रिपल ब्लेंड प्रोटीन, 6.7 ग्राम हाई फाइबर और 24 एसेंशियल वाइटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. मतलब कैलोरीज भी कम हो जाती है और आपको कंप्लीट न्यूट्रिशन भी मिलता है. एक एवरेज इंडियन मील आपको अराउंड 700 कैलोरीज देते हैं, लेकिन Incredio स्लिम शेक में सिर्फ 221 कैलोरीज होती है. मतलब हर मील में आप 480 कैलोरीज बचा रहे हो. ये लगभग 68% कैलोरी रिडक्शन है पर मील. एंड अब रिजल्ट्स की बात करें तो 80% यूज़र्स ने एक महीने में 2 kgs तक वेट लॉस किया है और अगर आप रेगुलरली यूज़ करते हो तो सिर्फ 2 महीने में 3.5 kg तक वेट लॉस कर सकते हो. और सबसे अच्छी बात, इट्स ईजी टू डाइजेस्ट, कोई साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स नहीं है और इसमें कोई एडेड शुगर भी नहीं है. With our fast-paced lives, it's tough to get the right amount of protein. But with Incredio, it's easy to fuel up no matter how busy you are. It's all about eating wisely. So along with your usual meals, you can add something that helps you fulfill your protein needs in a tasty way. I mean, कितनी बार हमने फैट डाइट्स ट्राई किए हैं या एक्सट्रीम वर्कआउट किया है और कुछ भी काम नहीं किया, राइट? लेकिन समझना ज़रूरी है कि वेट लॉस क्विक फिक्सेस से नहीं बट स्मॉल सस्टेनेबल चेंजेस से होता है. And that's where something like Incredio Slim Shake by Health Cart comes into picture. So I know what you're thinking. आप शायद अभी यही सोच रहे हैं कि क्या मुझे will I feel satisfied, will I feel fuller for longer, या फिर मुझे जल्दी भूख लग जाएगी. So the answer is you really will feel fuller for longer, and not just that, आपके taste buds को भी बहुत ही मज़ा आएगा. Why? Because you have 3 incredible choices to choose from. One is chocolate, mango and kesar badam. Why this is amazing? Because I've tasted it and trust me, you are really going to love it. So अगर आपको अपने प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट को easily fulfill करना है, so there are 3 good times when you can have Incredio. एक है on the time of waking up. Once you wake up, you can have Incredio Slim Shake. That's a great time. After a workout can be a great option, and before going to bed also this can be a great options. तो आपको solution मिल गया है how to get enough protein in a very quick. अगर आप lazy हो, busy हो, तो no excuses के लिए आपको लेना है Incredio Slim Shake and you will see the difference. Along with providing you enough protein, it is also very easy on stomach, so आपको digestion में help करता है, bloating भी नहीं होने देता है. So ये हो गया सोने पे सुहागा. And remember one thing, that weight loss is a journey and you should not go for any shortcuts, because आपको शायद shortcuts, as the name suggests, short term में शायद help कर दे. Fat diets आपको कुछ दिन के लिए, कुछ हफ्तों के लिए शायद खुशी दे दे, but उसके बाद दुख ही दुख है. So the best thing is to have things or to create a lifestyle which is enjoyable, sustainable, and you really should look forward to it. और इसी lifestyle में आपको add करना है Incredio Slim Shake by Health Cart, which will help your weight loss and fitness journey throughout. So if you want to buy Incredio right away, then the link is in description. You can use my code SAPNA10 and get additional 10% discount on Incredio.com, and also you can get it on Amazon. So हमने ये तो जान लिया कि प्रोटीन क्या है, किससे बनता है, क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है, कितना प्रोटीन लेना चाहिए. नाउ प्रोटीन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मान लीजिए आपको आज आपका रिक्वायरमेंट है 18 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन, तो आप ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही मील में आपने 18 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन ले लिया एंड यू आर डन फॉर द डे. No, that's not right. You have to distribute it throughout the day ताकि आपको constant energy मिलती रहे. So you have to have a little source of protein the moment you wake up. Then for your midday meal, that is your maybe your lunch or dinner, सारे major meals में you have to consciously pick and choose a source of protein. So some of the vegetarian sources are sprouts, dal, nuts like almonds. So ये है हमारे even vegetables like broccoli, spinach can give you good amount of protein. So all these are protein sources, vegetarian protein sources, even your dairy products. So you can spread it throughout the day and eat wisely. अगर आप नॉन वेजिटेरियन भी प्रेफर करते हो then fish, chicken or other non-vegetarian items that you might like, you can pick and choose, but try कीजिए कि you don't have the fried version. You have to go for the grilled and the broiled version and the boiled versions. That will really make good choices for your meals and it will help you be in your calorie limit. Why? Because अगर आप weight loss करना चाहते हैं then you know that you have to create a calorie deficit where you burn more calories and you eat a little lesser so that you can reduce weight. So for burning more calories you can make a wise choice that on one side you go to the gym and on the other side you focus on the recovery. And recovery कैसे होगी? अगर आप अच्छे से प्रोटीन लेते हो अपने all meals में, अगर आप 7 to 8 hours शांति से आराम से चैन से डीप स्लीप लेते हैं then it can help you become wiser and make the smart move and not just work hard. So this is how you should go ahead. So बात करें अगर वेट लॉस की या वेट मेंटेन करने की, तो आई एम श्योर मेनी ऑफ यू कैन से वन थिंग दैट यू हैव ट्राइड फैट डाइट्स वेर यू हैव स्टार्व्ड, यू हैव फास्टेड, आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ कर दी है, बहुत सारी फूड आइटम्स को लाइक यू आर जस्ट ईटिंग फ्यू थिंग्स एंड देन अल्टीमेटली शायद वेट लॉस हो भी गया बट अल्टीमेटली यू विल गेन वेट बैक. प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है स्टार्विंग की या फैट डाइट्स की? दैट इट विल हेल्प यू लूज वेट फॉर अ शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम, बट उसके साथ ही साथ आपने फेस किया ही होगा दैट यू फील वेरी टायर्ड, यू गेट डार्क सर्कल्स, यू गेट लूज स्किन, यू गेट हेयर लॉस. तो ये सारी वर्थ इट चीज़ें तो नहीं है. See, when I tried losing weight or when I am in my maintenance phase, I have really taken help of good products which have helped me along with my eating right. Because see, when you eat right and when you have certain support system, then it can really help your journey to make it very smooth. So we will meet in the next one with more information about a lot of things, fitness and mental health and overall lifestyle changes. So I will see you in the next one.